In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Alienware Command Center error 0x803F8001. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first fix is to make sure you're signed into Microsoft Store. So this error often happens when you're logged out. So go ahead and open up Microsoft Store and then make sure you are logged into your account. So to log in, on the top right hand corner, you can see I am logged in here. So just go ahead and sign in. Next fix is to go ahead and reset Alienware Command Center. So this is quick and easy and works for many people. So on your keyboard, click on your Windows plus I, and then we need to get into apps. So click onto apps, click onto installed apps, find Alienware Command Center, then click advanced options and click repair. So for this demonstration, if I'm going to say any desk is what I need, or even say Microsoft Teams, go to advanced option, just scroll down and then go ahead and repair. So click on under reset, click on repair. And now if that fails, go ahead and click on reset. Now next fix is to go ahead and reset the Microsoft Store cache. So this fixes store related errors like your 0x803, etc, etc. So on your keyboard, click on your Windows key plus R. Now a little run box is going to appear. We need to go ahead and put some code in. So that is wsreset.exe. Click OK, and then from there it's just going to reset your Microsoft Store, and then it should reopen automatically, and then restart your PC. Now the last couple of fixes is to get into settings. So click on the search, type in settings, make sure date and time is correct. So go to time and language, click on date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically is enabled. So turn on and set time automatically, because if these are disabled, you're going to find a few different programs aren't going to run properly and glitch out. Now while we're inside of here, we also want to do a Windows update. So click on Windows Update, go ahead and check for updates. If there are any updates, go ahead, download, install them and restart your PC.